Welcome to Elite Service Masters. Today, we're diving into the lucrative world of property maintenance and showing you exactly how to make money in 2024. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to expand your services, stick around because we're about to break down everything you need to succeed. Property maintenance is one of those industries that never goes out of style. As long as there are homes, offices, and buildings, they'll need maintenance, and that means a constant stream of opportunities. Think about it. Landlords, real estate investors, and property management companies are always looking for reliable, skilled people to keep their properties in top condition. And in 2024, that demand is only growing. So, where do you fit in? First off, let's understand what property maintenance actually covers. Property maintenance is a broad field. It can range from basic tasks like lawn care, plumbing, electrical work, and painting, to more specialized services like HVAC repairs, pest control, and even small-scale renovations. It's the bread and butter of keeping buildings functional, safe, and aesthetically pleasing. So whether you're a handyman, an electrician, or even a landscaper, there's a place for you in this industry. Now, before you get too excited and rush in, let's talk about the skills and certifications you'll need. To make money in property maintenance, you need to stand out. It's not enough to just know how to change a light bulb or fix a leaky faucet. Clients want professionals who know what they're doing. So, depending on the services you want to offer, you may need certifications. For example, if you're dealing with electrical systems, having a journeyman electrician certification will set you apart. The same goes for HVAC work or plumbing. Look into local certification requirements in your area. These can vary, but investing in the right education can massively boost your credibility and earning potential. And don't forget about soft skills. Communication is key in this line of work. Property owners want someone who's responsive, reliable, and easy to work with. If you can master that, you'll be ahead of the game. So, you've got the skills, but how do you attract clients? This is where marketing strategies come in. First things first, build an online presence. In 2024, having a website is non-negotiable. It doesn't have to be fancy, but it should showcase your services, customer reviews, and make it easy for people to contact you. Social media is another powerful tool. Post photos of your work, client testimonials, and even behind-the-scenes clips of your day-to-day operations. It humanizes your brand and builds trust. Another great way to get noticed is through local directories like Yelp, Google My Business, and even Nextdoor. And don't forget the power of word of mouth. Happy clients are your best advertisers, so encourage them to leave reviews and recommend your services to others. Networking with real estate agents and property managers is also a smart move. These folks often know property owners who are constantly in need of maintenance services. Now let's talk money. How do you set competitive pricing without underselling yourself or scaring clients away? Here's the thing, pricing is a balancing act. Too low, and you're not valuing your time or expertise. Too high, and you risk turning people away. Start by researching what other maintenance professionals in your area are charging. This will give you a benchmark. Then, factor in your own costs, materials, travel, tools, and of course your time. It can be tempting to charge less when you're starting out. But remember, quality work speaks for itself, and clients are willing to pay more for reliability and professionalism. As your experience and reputation grow, you can gradually increase your rates. You can also offer different pricing models, like one-off services or maintenance contracts. The latter is a goldmine for recurring revenue. Property owners will pay a premium for peace of mind, knowing that you're on call for regular maintenance checks and repairs. Now let's not forget the impact of technology on your business. In 2024, leveraging technology is a game changer. From scheduling apps to payment processing, there are plenty of tools that can streamline your operations and help you work smarter, not harder. Apps like Jobber or House Call Pro can help you manage appointments, send invoices, and even track your expenses. This means less time on admin work and more time focusing on what matters, growing your business. Plus, offering digital payments is a must. Clients appreciate the convenience and you'll get paid faster. If you're not already using platforms like PayPal, Square, or Venmo, it's time to jump on board. But making money in property maintenance isn't just about getting clients. It's also about building long-lasting relationships with property owners. Your goal is to become the go-to person whenever there's an issue. That means going above and beyond with every job you do. Be punctual, communicate clearly, and deliver high-quality work. Follow-up is crucial too. After you complete a job, check in with your clients to see if everything's running smoothly. These small gestures can lead to repeat business and long-term contracts. And let's face it, property maintenance is often about trust. People are letting you into their homes, their offices, and their investment properties. If you can build a reputation as someone who's dependable and trustworthy, you'll have clients for life. So, whether you're starting a new venture or expanding your current services, property maintenance in 2024 is full of opportunities. With the right skills, smart marketing, competitive pricing, and a focus on technology, you're well on your way to turning property maintenance into a profitable business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more tips and strategies to help build your financial future. Thanks for watching Elite Service Masters. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.